Hello guys, this is Dacia Sandero 2018 1 liter gasoline engine. I'm going to change the timing chain for this car because the timing chain is very loose, and as you see, the tensioner is taken out too much. So guys, just a quick show the timing mark. This is the timing mark for the inlet camshaft diffuser. This should align like 1 o'clock, and for the exhaust camshaft sprocket, here is a mark. It should align with to the 12 o'clock. And for the crankshaft, I hope you can see for the crankshaft, it is a little much. Oh my god, it's impossible to see. Yeah. You see the notch? Here is it. This notch should be to the downside of the engine, to the downside. This notch should be to the downside, like 6 o'clock. And start removing the timing chain first from the tensioner. Lock the tensioner, remove the tensioner, and the guide rail, and remove the timing chain. Here is the new timing chain, oil pump chain, exhaust camshaft sprocket, oil pump tensioner, chain tensioner. This is chain tensioner, crankshaft harmonic balancer bolt with 3 bolts for 3 bolts for guide rail, and the crankshaft sprocket. And also I want to change the spark plug with laser iridium. It's a drain pipe, air filter. Here is oil filter, and a cabin filter. This is brake disc and brake pads, also I want to change the front brake disc and brake pad for the front and rear. So guys, this is it. When I installed it, so guys, I cleaned the surface properly, and now it's ready to put back the new timing chain. Oil pump chain, tensioner, guide rail, chain tensioner, VVT, inlet camshaft VVT new, crankshaft sprocket new, and exhaust cam sprocket new with new water pump and new seal. So guys, the new timing chain is on. Inlet camshaft diffuser is also new. Exhaust camshaft sprocket is new. Timing chain. I will show you here. This color teeth should align with this groove here, and the inlet diffuser and this notch align with this color teeth of chain and to here. This is a timing mark for cams and for crankshaft timing mark. As you can clearly see, the color teeth to this groove, this notch. So I also changed the oil pump chain with a tensioner and the new tensioner for timing chain. So I released the tensioners from timing chain and oil pump chain. The oil pump chain is now under tension, and for timing chain, yes. So I released the tensioner. I turned the engine clockwise 2 times. I turned the engine clockwise 2 times. Let's see. Yeah, sure, thank you. So guys, the job is done. Everything is put back together. I also changed the coolant and sticker. So this is the inlet diffuser, guys. If you see here these grooves, change it. There's a crankshaft sprocket. You see the grooves? This become very tiny. And also this is the exhaust camshaft sprocket. This is not really in bad condition like this, but this one and this one is very bad. So guys, I recommend, if you want to do a timing chain replacement, then also change the water pump, timing chain, and oil pump chain as well. Okay, change these things, guys, all together. because it don't work. Once you open the engine, then change all. So now the car is back on the road for 5 years.